Hello, Sonja from Sonja Arroyo Art here. Welcome to my first ever YouTube upload. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel and make sure to read the description box below for more information and links on this subject matter. So today I wanted to share how I made this dramatic crackle edge design on this freeform geode. I'm using the XL crackle paste from Art, which is a two-part application system. Number 1 being the base coat and number 2 being the structure paste that will be applied on top of the base coat. The color of my base coat is black, but it's also available in white, and the structure paste is always beige in color. I'm starting out by applying my black base coat with a palette knife in an even and very thin layer. 1 to 2 millimeters is sufficient here. On a side note here, the outer edge of my panel was pre-painted with black acrylic paint before I started, and I did not apply any of the paste there, but of course you can if you choose to. Two important things to mention is that number 1, the base coat needs to be below the beige structure paste in order to stick to your panel. If you use the beige paste on its own, it will fall off. You could say that the base coat is the glue that holds it all together. And number 2 is that the structure paste needs to be applied while the base coat is still wet. Now the structure paste can be applied in a thick layer up to 4 centimeters, and the thicker you apply it, the bigger the cracks are going to develop during the curing stage. I would say my application throughout was about 1 to 1.5 centimeters in thickness, but I will show you the piece from the side once I'm done applying this. And here a quick side view so you can judge the thickness of the application. While I fast forward the application of the rest of my panel, I will tell you about some color options. Besides black, the base coat can also be purchased in white. You can use the white on its own or tint it with different mediums such as inks or acrylic paints, so your cracks can appear in any color of your choice. Since the structure paste is always beige, tinting might not be the best option since most colors would turn muddy, but you can easily paint on top of this paste to change it in any color of your choice. I will be using gold colored spray paint to demonstrate this step. I'm using Krylon Premium Metallic Gold to spray onto the structure paste I just applied. I want everything to be covered nicely, but I also make sure to not over apply my spray paint layer and seal everything shut in the process. I do need some airflow for the curing process so the cracks can start to form. This step is optional, but something I like to do in my projects. I come back and start to lift off some of my colors here and there, so I have lighter and darker areas which will add to the dimension. I came back 3 to 4 hours after I applied the gold spray, and I'm using a baby wipe to gently lift off some of the paint. And this is how the cracks look after about 6 hours. And this is after 24 plus hours where we have the full developed crackle effect, which looks really beautiful. Although I did use it on my geode design, the possibilities for this medium is endless, and it looks fabulous in ocean art, table designs, and really any abstract and textured works of art. I hope you liked this video and it has inspired you to work with some XL crackle paste. Much love and bye for now.